Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I'm going to show you how to save games on the Steam Cloud. So very simple and basic way to save games on Steam Cloud. Open Steam and here you will see library tab. So firstly click on this library tab. Then in this list expand your games. Right click on your game. Then here click on properties. Now here just guys you have to check this checkbox. If it's unselected, so check this checkbox to save your games in Steam Cloud. So this is the setting method and way to save games in Steam Cloud. After that close and reopen. So thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.